Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing so well. So in today's video I'll be doing DIY banana and aloe vera deep conditioner. So I've already peeled the back of the banana, so I just put it inside my blender. Now I'm going to cut the aloe vera into two so that I can scoop out the gel inside, because I will be using the gel, not the skin. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for coming to watch today's video. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share if you can, and to my new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. And if you are also new here, you are welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before the end of this video. So I'm going to be doing this DIY conditioner, aloe vera and banana DIY conditioner, because it's very beneficial to our health. So after scooping out the gel, I'm just going to add it to the bananas. Then I'm going to blend them together. I'm just going to cut it into little pieces to help the blending process go faster. So banana is great for our hair and our scalp. They improve manageability and shine, prevent and control dandruff, and moisturize our scalp. Banana are rich in potassium, natural oil, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which help soften the hair and protect the hair natural elasticity, preventing split ends and breakage. So I love banana so much. Like, since I started my natural hair, I always use banana on my hair, because I don't know why. I just love banana hair mask on my hair. So I just love it. I don't know why, because it's so good. Anytime I use it on my hair, I feel my hair, like my hair feels so good. So after blending, you have to use your strainer to strain it so that it will be smooth, because you don't want to spend 10 hours in the bathroom trying to remove just little pieces of banana that maybe they did not blend well. So that's why I'm using that strainer, because I don't want to spend all the days in the bathroom. So after that, I'm going to add this my carrot and aloe vera oil. So if you have not seen this video, I will put it at the description box below. Please God help me to try to put this at the description box below. So I'm also going to mix that into it very well. Then I'm going to add, this is honey, organic, 100% pure organic honey. So I'm just going to add 1 spoon of honey, because honey helps to lock in shine to our hair. It helps to soften our hair. It helps to add shine to our hair. So that's why I'm using honey to. That's why I'm adding honey to it. If you don't have honey, you can do without it. If you don't have honey, you can do without it. If you don't also have that oil, you can also do without it and use any oil of your choice. So now I'm just going to mix everything together. Aloe vera is also good for our hair. It helps to condition our hair and leave our hair smooth and shine. It promotes hair growth, prevent itchy scalp, reduce dandruff, and condition our hair. Aloe vera is so good for our hair. It's so nice, it's so good. It promotes hair growth. So if you have not started using it on your hair, this tool, guys, and you want your hair to grow, just start using it now. So now it's time for me to apply it to my hair. You can see how my hair is feeling so shiny. God, that's why I say I love banana head mask. Yeah, like, I can never go wrong with banana head mask. Hair mask. I love it so much. With this combination of aloe vera and honey and other oil, guys. This is so good for my hair. Like, I want you guys to also try. If you have not tried it yet, you are going to love it, I promise you. And it's going to help your hair to grow so well. So guys, I'm done applying it to this side of my hair. So you can see how my hair feels so nice. That coils, the coils is pumping. Oh my god, this is the reason why I love banana hair mask. So good. So I'm going to go off camera to apply to the other side of my hair. Then I will be back. I'm already back. So this is how my hair is looking like after applying it to all over my hair. So you can see how it look like, so good. Like, guys, I don't want to praise this too much, just try it for yourself. I don't want to praise this mask too much, just try it for yourself and you will speak, the mark will speak for himself. So guys, after I've reached it out, my coil is still intact. So you can see this how my hair is looking like now. So beautiful, strong, healthy, and bouncy like a baby boy. Oh my goodness. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Just give this hair mask a try. Okay, give it a try and come back to tag me and ask me for my PayPal account. So guys, this is the end of this video. I'm just trying to do lunch here because my camera did not go down. Bye for now. See you in my next one.